welcome once again. It's your boy again, Master Joe Hustle Channel. You are welcome, a new subscriber. You are also welcome, a returning subscriber. So, for a quick one, in this episode, I'm gonna teach you people or reveal to you how you can make money online in a legit way, in a legitimate way. What I mean by legitimate way is this site that I want to reveal to you is a tax doing site. You'll be given a task to complete. After completing the task, each task, you're going to pay a commission or a percentage from the task as which you just completed. So, like I always tell you, you need to put in much work in order to get a good result. What I mean by a good result, in order for you to get a reasonable amount of money. So this site that I want to reveal to you people is unlimited. You can make as unlimited. The money you can make here is unlimited. It depends on how you can work, how hard how you can put in, how effort you can put in the platform. So I won't say that. For a quick reminder, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well by hitting on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell. You can also give me a thumbs up or a like and comment down below. um if you need any question, if you have any question though that you would want to ask me, you can leave it down on the comment section. Or if you want me to expatiate in a particular video, you can also um, drop it on the comment section. Then I'll be very glad to answer all your questions, and any video you want me to expatiate on, I'll be very pleased and glad to help you out with it, to make a video that relates to that. So I want to say that I'm going to jump into my browser now and walk you through. So that's that. I'm going to minimize my webcam now. So this is my browser. I use Chrome. You can use any browser that you are comfortable with. You can use Safari. You can use Chrome. You can use Mozilla. So as for me, I'm comfortable in Google Chrome. So this is my Chrome. This is it. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Sorry. This is my browser. Okay. Yeah. This is my browser. Okay. Let me make it bold so that you can see it clearly. Okay. Yeah. This is it. Then the name of the site is Sproutgig. Just type that on your Google. Click on enter. Select the first one. Click on the first one. It will bring you to this interface. If you have if you have an account with them, you can click on login. If you don't have an account with them, if you are a newbie in it, if you are a beginner, you can sign up here. So um I'm gonna sign up here, although I've already got an account with them. So but for those people that doesn't know how this site works yet, so I'm gonna sign up. Then it will bring us to this interface. It will bring us to this interface where we're gonna put our name here, email here, password here. We repeat our password, our nickname. Some people normally mistake nickname for username. Your username is still the same thing as your nickname. So select your country, tick here. I'm a worker. Don't think I'm an employer. You are here to work, not to employ. You are here to work. Then after, if you are through with all this data they ask you to input, click on sign up. As for me, I've already got an account with them. I will click on login. Okay, after clicking on login, it's going to bring us to this interface. This is their dashboard. This is the dashboard of the site. So when you've gotten to this dashboard, now these are what you can do: gig, micro job, survey. You can take survey. This is your wallet. This is your buying. Please, when you get to this place, put it in freelancer. You are now a freelancer. So don't switch it here. Don't switch it to buyer. Switch it to freelancer. Okay. You are here to work, not to buy people, not to ask people to do your tax. You are here to do other people's tax. So that's the meaning of this buyer or freelancer. So now I won't say that what you're gonna do is that again, come to your wallet. You can see your wallet here. Click on the wallet. Click on the wallet. You can see this is your wallet. Then this is your wallet. This is my wallet. I'm having 1.2600 here. But as for you, you might have 0.00000 because you've not done any tax. This is a new account which I just opened. That's why I've done some taxes. So and I've also withdrawn to my account. That is why I'm having 1 point so dollar remaining left. So for you, it might be 0.00000. I don't know. So you have requested any. You haven't requested any payment yet. Request withdrawal. You click on this request withdrawal. So now what you want to do now, you want to link your account to Sproutgig because you have to link both of them together so that any money you are getting from the Sproutgig site will automatically be transferred to your Payoneer account. Or if it don't automatically transfer to your Payoneer account, you can have access to transfer it to your Payoneer account. Okay, like any money you are getting, you are getting from this your earning. So you need to link your earning platform space to your Payoneer account so that as which you can withdraw, you can have access to withdraw any money you earn to your bank, to your Payoneer account. So that's what they are trying to tell you in nutshell. So this Sprout Gig supports ATM. ATM is another means of payment which I don't have, to be honest. So if you have air payment ATM, you can link your ATM ATM. They support Pioneer. I have Pioneer account. They support Uphold. I don't have Uphold. So they support only three means of payment. So at least you should be able to have any one of this one. I only have this one. As for new people, for people that doesn't have Pioneer account, um, I have made a video um based on that on YouTube, how to create a Pioneer account for a beginner. For a beginner, Pioneer account is a means of payment, a bank do a means of payment whereby you can get paid or paid in that platform in Pioneer. So it's a bank account, it's a means of payment of receiving fund payment though. So for people that doesn't have the account yet, because if you don't have any either three of it, there's no way you can get paid. So for a newbie that doesn't have this Pioneer yet, so all you have to do is I've made a video based on that. Just go to your YouTube, just go to your YouTube, youtube.com, youtube.com, then search for, you're gonna search for Master Joe Hustle, Master Joe Hustle, how to create a Payoneer account. You can see, just search for Master Joe Hustle, how to create a Payoneer account. Hit enter. After hitting enter, it will bring you to this interface, these videos. This is me. This is my this. Look at it. Select this video, how to create Payoneer account. Then you can click on it, watch it thoroughly, listen to it. I would advise for the first time, watch for the first time, watch from the beginning to the end. Don't implement yet. Assimilate it. Then the second time you are watching, you can now implement. With that, you will not make any error because this Pioneer is very sensitive. If you make any mistake, they will not approve you. They will not approve your account. We have a lot of people that claims to have Pioneer accounts, but at the end of the day, we discover that it is yet to be approved or it has never been approved. So if I believe you don't want to find yourself in that situation, so that's why I said um first time watch it from the beginning to the end, don't implement, just watch. Then second time you can now, as we are watching, you can now implement. So having said that, I will assume that we've watched the video, we've implemented the steps to create your Payoneer account, and we've gotten our Payoneer account. Then let's come back to our Sproutgig. Then we assume that we've watched, we've implemented, and we've gotten our Payoneer account email. Then you click here, Payoneer. Now we want to link both together. We want to link Payoneer to Sprout. We want to link Sproutgig to Payoneer account. So you click. Oh, coming. Should go. It's network. You can't not. Uh, sorry. Okay. Okay, sorry for the little delay. So like I said, you're going to link your Payoneer to your Sproutgig. So all you have to do is by clicking here. For time's sake, I don't want this video to be too long. After clicking on this place, this Payoneer, you click here. After clicking here, then it will bring you to a platform where you need to log in into your the Payoneer you just created. There's a space that it will ask you to input your Payoneer login, your email and your password. After you must have logged in, then it cannot be connected automatically. So I haven't said that. So let's um go to how to what how you can um do micro jobs. Look at this here, micro jobs. Bring your cursor to this micro jobs. Click on the micro jobs. Then look at find job. Find job. Click on find job. Look at all the jobs that are available right now. Like I look at um um 3 cent, 30 cent, 30 cent, 30 cent, 30 cent, 30 cent, 50 cents, 50 cent job. Look at you can see 30 cent, 30 cent, 30 cent. Look at $2, $2. Look at $2, 30 cent, 30 cent, at $1, 250 cents. Look at. See what I normally tell people that there's no way you can be broke by the time you completed many of these tasks that are available here. There's no how you will not be able to generate at least $50 in a day. That is why I said put more. It depends on the effort at which you put into it. That's what will determine the amount of money you will realize. So that is that. If you decide to put in 30 minutes effort, you are going to realize 30 minutes earn. The money at which you will earn might be minimal. So you cannot compare people that are putting like 6 hour effort. Look at we have so many tasks here that are available here. Look at you can see, 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 you can see. So all you have to do is, and those tasks they are very easy to do. All you have to do is just pick anyone. You can just be doing it randomly. Look at this one says subscribe to your channel. This one is paying $2. What is needing people to do for him is best offer. Subscribe to our channel. He just wants people to subscribe to his channel, and after subscribing, he's ready to pay $2. Okay, let's look at what he wants us to do. You click on it. After clicking on it, you go down. Look at it say what is expected. Copy and paste the following link into your browser. Copy this link into your browser. Then press join now. After copying it, then you click on join. Complete human verification to verify that you are not a robot. Complete the verification at which it's going to appear. Then subscribe to our channel. Finish. That's what is expected you to do. After completing all this expectation, then look at require proof. Screenshot that you completed human verification. The verification is asking you to complete. You're going to screenshot it. What's what is my channel name? Is the channel is channel name the channel name now? You're going to write just write the name. You write the name. Submit screenshot that you completed human verification. The verification that you completed. Let me just show you so that you will see that it's not as tedious as that. Sorry, he said we should copy this one. Copy this one. This is the link. Okay, it's not loading. It's not loading. It's not loading. It's not loading. Copy and paste the following. Okay, it's not loading. Maybe it's my network. So just follow that. And mind you, you don't have to be stuck in a particular task. If you discover that network is not allowing you to open to access some um jobs, you don't have to get to stuck yourself in that job. We have so many jobs. All you have to do is go to the next job, pick next job, pick this next job. You can see we have so many jobs here. You can see this one. Say download and install. Finish. You can see we have so many jobs here. So as you are completing it, as you are doing it, you are doing it, your any money is accumulating. It's accumulated. As it's accumulated until you are ready to withdraw. Then you can now withdraw it will automatically go to your what, to Payoneer account. Then from Payoneer account, like I said, um in that Payoneer account, if truly you've watched the video, I explain in detail on how you can withdraw money from your Payoneer account to your local account. So once the money has entered your Payoneer account, you can now withdraw it to your local account. So like I said again, If you want to know more about Payoneer, how to withdraw money from Payoneer, just go to go on your YouTube, click masterjoe hustle, how to create Payoneer account, like I explained to you. Then watch the video for the first time. Second time, as you're watching, you can now be implementing. So that is that. So that's that for that. So um, ladies and gentlemen, um, if you find any value in this my content, sorry, please you can do well by hitting on the subscription once again. Turn on the notification icon or notification bell. Um, Give me a thumbs up or a like. You can also as well comment down below stating any question you want to ask me or any video you want me to expatiate more on. You can leave it on the comment section, and I'll be very pleased and glad to answer all your comments and um attend to all your comments and do any video you want me to expatiate better on. So that is that. Thank you very much for your time, and God bless. Stay blessed and be peace.